All right, we're gonna take this 204B, we're gonna take the head off of it and put a flange facing attachment on. We're gonna show you how easy it is. We're gonna reface this flange. We're gonna show you step by step.
So we're gonna go ahead and remove our mandrel and the head so we can attach our flange facer attachment. Just unthreading the mandrel, remove it from the machine. Remove the 3 cap screws that hold the head on. Move the head. And we go ahead and we'll attach the flange facer attachment, but we also have our tripping mechanism. This is what feeds the tool block, and it has 2 trippers that engage and disengage, and that way you can do your 125 or your 250 record finish. Okay, we're just finishing up, bolting on that tripper pin attachment. Feed your tooling across the face. We're going to go ahead and grab our flange facer attachment, bolt it on with 3 bolt holes, and they bolt on right where that beveling head came off. Go ahead and finish tightening down the flange facer attachment with the 3 bolt holes. Now that we got that completed, it's assembled, we'll go ahead and talk about the tool bit for a minute. So we got different tooling to do the raise face or go across your bolt holes. This one has a vertical side so you can go up across the 90 degree. And we'll go ahead and set our tooling once we're mounted on our flange. What we want to talk about now is the other attachment we'll be using to do flange facing. I like to use an elbow mandrel. The elbow mandrel is used on elbows and fittings and stuff like that, but we like to use the elbow mandrel because it's short perched mounted in case you have a weld neck or a slip-on flange that's not square with the run of the pipe. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and assemble. We'll talk about the assembly of the mandrel. This is the elbow mandrel. Instead of a self-centering, self-squaring, it is self-centering. The kit comes with all the pins and 2 different head sizes to cover the whole range. We also have a reduced sized head for small bore. This mandrel can be used in fittings, elbows, valves, stuff like that, but we like to use it in a flange, especially if you have a weld neck flange on, then that way you know when we use a squaring plate, you're square to the face of the sealing surface. Go ahead and put our squaring plate on, tighten that down, square with the shaft, push up the squaring plate so it's all the way up against the face of the flange. That way you know your mandrel is square with your sealing surface. Go ahead and snug that up. We can remove the squaring plate now and get ready to put the machine on the mandrel. That's how fast we can put a new record finish on a flange with the 204B attachments.